20 seconds and we are inside. Dave? Then we will be very, very rich tonight, Pete.
Lily, they are at the door now! Everyone positions!
Whoa! Pete, I am flying! Dave, there is a tiny car chasing me!
Leo! Lily! Take your shoes off, please! Sorry, Mom! Max ran outside first!
No, Mom! Leo chased Max outside first.
Max! You are my friend. Help me, please!
Good morning! We have big news today!
What news, Dad? Is it about me?
No, Leo. This news is much bigger.
Aunt Sarah called us very early this morning.
Aunt Sarah? Is she okay, Mom?
She is very well. Her baby is coming tonight!
The baby is coming tonight?
Max caught the pancake! Good boy, Max!
Children cannot go inside the hospital tonight.
So Lily and I stay home alone tonight, Dad?
Yes, Leo. You and Lily stay home tonight.
Oh no! That is very terrible news today!
Yes. Very good acting, you two. Very good.
Okay, everyone. Here are the rules. Rule 1. Lock front door after we leave.
What if a stranger has free pizza, Mom?
No, Leo! Especially not pizza delivery at night. Yes, Mom.
Rule 2. Emergency numbers are on the fridge.
Police, fire, poison control, and Pizza Hut, Dad? That last one was already there from before. Rule 3. Bedtime is at 9:30 tonight.
Last rule. Answer every phone call immediately.
Every call, every time. We promise, Dad. I love you both more than every star in sky. We love you too, Mom. Now please go already.
Goodbye, kids. We are so proud of you both.
Okay, Lily. Lock the door right now, please.
Locked! Wait first, Leo.
home alone, and this is the best thing!
No bedtime, no vegetables, total freedom! I am now king of this entire house tonight. And I am queen of everything you own, Leo. Max, you're supposed to be on my side. Fine, truce. Pizza and movies first, then battle. Pizza? Leo, you are my favorite person alive. Hello, Mom. Yes, everything here is totally fine. Hi, Mom. We are being completely responsible here.
Lily, you have pizza sauce on your cheek.
Oh, thanks.
Max, you never saw anything here tonight, okay?
What is happening? Is it Leo?
Lily, that is a TV remote, not a sword.
Leo, those are real people in our garden.
You've reached the voicemail of...
It went to voicemail again.
Lily, do you remember that movie we love?
The boy who beats the robbers completely alone?
Those robbers have no idea what is coming tonight.
Trap 1. Rope at the front door right here. Trap 2. Yellow paint bucket at top of stairs. Trap 3. Kitchen floor is now completely invisible ice. Trap 5 is the best trap of all tonight.
Huh! 20 seconds and we are inside. Dave? Then we will be very, very rich tonight, Pete.
Lily, they are at the door now. Everyone positions.
Dave, what are you doing on the floor? Ow! 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 What is on this floor? Oh. Whoa! Pete, I am flying! Dave, there is a tiny car chasing me! Wait, what is that yellow thing up there? I am yellow! Pete, I am completely yellow! to leave right now! Alright, finally ready! Hello?
It is a girl! I'm sorry, a beautiful baby girl! Did you enjoy our story tonight, friends? Subscribe for more fun adventures like this one!